I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the App Store and downloading Google AI Studio. Sign in with the Google account you plan to use. Once done, make sure you grant camera and microphone permissions in settings so the app can capture media. Also verify iOS 16 or later and a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. This avoids upload failures. Now tap Create or New Project to begin. The app will prompt templates and data sources so you can select the right workflow. You pick a template or start blank, then import your assets, images, audio, or text directly from photos, files, or cloud drives. After importing, configure model settings. Choose model type, set privacy controls, and select Compute Tier, standard for quick tests, premium for higher quality. Then adjust prompts and parameters, add dataset labels, and run a small preview. Make sure to monitor on device previews and logs so you understand how changes affect outputs before you run a full training or export. You finalize by exporting the model or outputs to Google Drive, the local Files app, or by generating a share link. Choose Mobile Export to optimize size. Once exported, test the artifact in the intended app or device to confirm it runs as expected. If something goes wrong, first check permissions and available storage, then verify your network and update the app. If errors persist, rerun a small task and review logs for missing labels or incompatible parameters. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.